Government officials, manufacturers and members of the private sector at a meeting in the presidential villa to discuss issues on how best to make the economy work in the interest of the ordinary Nigerian. Vice President Yemi Osibajo explains why the meeting has become necessary.
A great deal of attention has been paid, as you will probably find, in sustaining private sector leadership, especially in the plans, our economic recovery and growth plan 2017, which is to be launched next month. The pivot of that plan is a private sector-led recovery and a private sector-led growth plan. So this forum is an important one for engendering the continuous engagement that this partnership will entail.
Next to speak is the president of the Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, Mr. Frank Udemba, who speaks the minds of most businessmen and women in the whole as it relates to the policies of government. He also gave recommendations on how government can tackle the points raised headlong.
Access to forex has been a major challenge to businesses in the last 2 years. The challenge this policy is currently facing is that there is inadequate monitoring mechanism to ensure that the policy achieves the desired result of allocating the stipulated percentage of the forex to bona fide manufacturers. One after the other, government officials gave explanations on the concerns raised.
We propose to spend 2.24 trillion on capital, 2.24 trillion naira on capital, which is 30.7% of the proposed budget. And of that spend, 56% of the capital spend is devoted to infrastructure.
This is the second time the Vice President will be holding the quarterly business forum. Nigerians hope to see that the recommendations reached here will help to bring about a quick turnaround of the economy.